I tested 3 free AI video generators and found, honestly, most of them are trash.
Since Grok AI became paid, creators have been panicking, wondering how or where they will get the best video generator. In this video, I have reviewed 3 free video generator for you to make your own pick. I will also tell you my own best video generator based on the output of these video generators I have tested. So if you have been wondering which video generator to use for your content, do well to stick to the end of this video to find out. And do not forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you have any question.
So what I'm going to do now is go to ChatGPT to generate the image I'm going to use. I'm going to first type in generate and then paste the prompt for my image. Basically what ChatGPT will generate is a woman in a kitchen rolling her eyes and then cooking while she says her script that I'm going to ask the video generator to generate for me. So once I read through the prompt and I'm satisfied with it, I'm just going to make sure that the aspect ratio is in 16:9 because it's a YouTube video. By the way, if you want the script, just let me know in the comment section. Type in I want the script and I'm going to provide it. Now ChatGPT will go ahead and generate this image that I'm going to use
for testing these video generators. So be patient for it to generate. Now my image is ready. What I'm just going to do is take a look. It generated 2 images, so I'm just going to take a look at the first one and the second one to see which one I like best. This is the first one, and I think I like this one because there's this sass in this image. Then I'm going to check on the second one. I like it too, but it's not as good as the first one, so I'm just going to download the first image. Next, I'm going to be heading over to the first video generator we are going to try. The first one is Google Flow AI. So I'm just going to type it in Google and then click on the link. This will take me to this interface where I'm just going to click on Create with Flow if this is your first time, and then click on New Project. Now I'm going to simply upload the image I downloaded from ChatGPT. I'm going to click on Upload Image and bring in the image. While the image is uploading, I'm going to click on Video. Here you can choose the aspect ratio, the number of times you want your video to generate, and then you can also decide to choose the version of VEO3 you want to use in Google Flow AI. Now my image is done uploading. What I'm now going to do is, since I've chosen the video setting I want, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the prompt for the video. So basically the prompt consists of the prompt for the image and also the script, that is what I want the character to say in this video. I'm going to paste that in here and I'm going to go ahead and edit it if I see any problem with it. And if there is no problem, what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to click on send so that Flow AI, the first video generator, can go ahead and generate this video. If you are still watching to this point, do not forget that we have other videos to test and you will do yourself a whole lot of good and also save yourself time if you stick to the end of this video to watch. Now that my video is ready, all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the video in order to take a listen and also judge if Flow AI is a good video generator. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to download this video and then show you download. Make sure you click on the download button at the top and then make sure you download it in 720 pixels. Let's take a look together.
So you're telling me this was made by AI? Seriously? This AI thinks it can replace me? Let's see.
You can see the lip sync, the motion, the eye rolling, the quality is so top notch. But before we settle for this video generator, let us check out the next one. It is Qwen AI and I'm just going to click on video generator and then bring in the same image I tested in Flow AI to Qwen AI to check the quality. I'm just going to click on this plus sign and then I'm going to click on the picture sign too. and this will help me bring in the image I generated for ChatGPT in order to test if Qwen AI is a good video generator. So I'm just going to upload the image and then paste the prompt, which consists of the prompt of the image and also the script that the character will say in the video. Next, I'm going to click on send, and you can see Qwen AI is generating it for me. The first thing I noticed that Qwen AI is slow in generating. It takes a longer amount of time than Flow AI, so you have to be super patient for Qwen AI. So I'm just going to cut the waiting time and then see you in the video. Now the video is ready. I'm just going to simply click on it and then go ahead and click on the download button. You can see it at the bottom right in order to download the video. Once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to show you so that we can judge Qwen AI as a video generator.
So you're telling me this was made by AI? Seriously? This AI thinks it can replace me? Let's see.
For me, Qwen AI is too mechanical. It is not natural, and the lip sync is just okay. It can be better. The quality of the video is good, but I think overall Flow AI is better than Qwen AI, and Qwen AI gives you only 5 seconds for free generation. I think that is low compared to Flow AI that gives 8 seconds and even more. The next video generation we are going to be trying is Wan AI. Wan AI also allows you to do image to video generation, where you can also have lip sync and have your characters talk from just a script. So now this is the interface in Wan AI. Just click on try for free, and then when you get to this interface, click on generate at the left hand side and then sign in with Google. You're taken to this interface where you can generate your video. First, what you do is click on the image icon in order to bring in your image, the one we have been testing. That is the one we generated from ChatGPT. So I'm just going to bring my image in real quick here. Once my image is loading like this, okay, yes, it's done loading. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to paste my prompt for the video. Remember, my prompt consists of the prompt for the image and then the script for the character. Now I'm going to click on that 10 credits where it says 10 credits on the screen, and then to go ahead and generate my video for me. You have to be patient for this one because Wan AI video also takes time to generate. So I'm just going to take us to the video directly. Now my video is ready. All I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it and then go ahead to download the video, and I'm going to play it for you so that we can analyze how Wan AI fared in this video generation.
Faceless was made by AI. Serious, this AI thinks it can replace me? Let's see. Faceless was made by AI. Serious, this AI thinks it can replace me?
And the video quality is nothing to write home
Serious,
about.
this AI thinks it can
The
replace
emotion
me?
is non-existent
Faceless
and
was
there's no
made by
life
AI.
in the
Serious,
character.
this AI thinks it can replace me?
So now,
Faceless was made by
jury
AI.
is out.
Serious,
You
this
can now
AI thinks
decide
it can replace me?
which video generator
Faceless
is
was made
best
by
for you
AI.
based
Serious,
on
this
this
AI thinks it
comparison.
can replace me?
See you in the next video.